Hey everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we'll be doing Auto Repair Source. This is a great resource in case you lost your car's manual, or you took it out of the glove compartment, you swear you're gonna put it back in and you didn't, you forgot and you can't find it, but you need to know something as far as like the size of your tires, different types of the brake pads that you have. What are those weird codes that come up, or wires, different lights coming up, different sensors, especially with all these new cars. It's a great resource if you don't have your manual and you need help trying to pinpoint, what's going on with your car and what type of model or part you need. So as always, we're gonna go to our library's website at mapld.org. We're gonna go to research and learning, A to Z list, and we're going to click on Auto Repair Source here. You are going to need your library card and your PIN. So if for some reason you don't have your PIN or the PIN isn't working, please give us a call at 708-748-4431 or email us at mtslib@mapld.org, or you can use our Let's Talk feature here and you ask one of the virtual librarians to help you out with your PIN, okay? So remember, just go to Auto Repair Source, and once you click on that, it'll ask you for your library card PIN. Once you put that in, this is what you will see. So you do need to know a little bit about your car. At least know the year that your car, was built. So I'm just gonna pick one of the older cars that I have traded in. So put 2013. Make, we could do Toyota. Model, it was a Prius C. Now you don't necessarily need to know the engine, it'll just pop up. But as you can see, just by putting in the rest of the information, you can already see that here, the database went ahead and started putting in the information for this particular car. So it has wheel alignment, transmission, tires, specifications, and like I said, one of the main things is it has diagnostic trouble codes, which is a big one that I know a lot of people have. So if you click on systems, you can see the different types of codes. Usually if you go to a place like AutoZone, they will go ahead and put this machine in and try to figure out what code or sensor is the one that's messed up. And using that code here, you can figure out if it's what type of circuit, if it's something malfunctioning, and so forth. Another good thing is that you can go to like your brakes. You can see general procedures, specifications to your brakes. And then you can see like the lining, the wheel, the rotor, for the particular brand that you're going to need to buy. And then you go back out. Battery replacements, of course. Shows you how to do certain things. Tells you what to do. But it's a great website for when you're cleaning out your car and you forget to put your manual back and then you don't know where it's at. You really do need to sometimes know these certain codes. But a lot of times they're very helpful at those auto places and they will help you. But just so you can be more informed about your car, maintenance schedule is another big one. So if you put in your miles, they'll let you know when normal service or severe, service needed, if you need to do your spark plugs or just do a regular oil change, tire rotation, and so forth. Same thing with your alignment for your tires. So you see wheel alignment down here, procedures, the right specifications, your tires, trim, rim, and size. So you know exactly if you want to get new rims, your tire pressure, and so forth. All the information could be found on this website. Very simple to use, very easy to use. You can print anything you want and you can go ahead and select a new vehicle when you're done. But like I said, as long as you have the year, make, and model, you don't need to know about your engine. It will populate it itself, and then everything will be on the left-hand side here. But yeah, very easy to use. Once again, you do need your library card. So when you go to mapld.org, have your library card and your PIN. If you don't have the PIN's not working, don't hesitate to reach out to us by your phone, email, or our little virtual chat assistant right here, and we can definitely help you with that. But yeah, definitely remember, go to research and learning, A to Z list, scroll on down to Auto Repair Source, and you're all set. All right, easy one to do, very simple. But until next time, take care, be safe,